we have here is a smart hand wand under cabinet lighting. Basically, you wave your hand, the light goes off. You wave your hand in front, the light goes on. And if you put your hand over, you could brighten up under cabinet lighting to the maximum. You want to change the Kelvin, simply just tap the unit and the kelvins would change. We're going to show you how simple this is to set up and go. From My Beauty is a 3-foot LED strip, 1090 lumens, AC power. We're going to open up, show you how nicely they are packaged in. Setup and assembly is required. You have the AC special DIN plug. They're 3 foot, which you're going to unravel the LED strip, the hanging hardware, and the instruction guide. Simply remove the Velcro. On the back of the unit is red self-adhesive that you're going to place onto the wall on the cabinet, permanent. Bench test demonstrations, you simply plug in the DIN to the hand wanding area. We have a green light. The LED indicator lit up. As we learn the unit, it's a wave of a hand to turn on. As you quickly go over, the unit will light up. And you go back over, the unit will shut off. If you cover the sensor, the light will dim down. And then you cover the sensor, the light will increase. To change the Kelvin, it's just basically touching. And you can see the light changing in the increments. In this demonstration purposes, we're going to grab the unit, shorten down for the length, take the end cap, and place on. A close-up look at the end cap going on. Plugging back in, and we have a shorter unit. You're able to cut down. We have self-adhesive clip for added security and placing on in different areas. Grab the clip if you want to put on and remove by pressing on firmly and peeling off the sticker. In our demonstrations for the cabinet, we're going to put our lights right here. We're going to plug in and we have light. If we wave our hand, the light will come off between 2 and 8 cm. We need the light to come on, we wave our hand. So if you're looking for LED under cabinet smart light, this light kit may be something that you are after. Thank you for viewing.